Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here in Orlando, Florida. We're at Disney's Boardwalk right now. I'm going to show you what Disney's Boardwalk is about. It's basically where there's a bunch of Disney hotels, there's a lake, there's a bunch of things to do here, a lot of eateries and attractions. So check it out. I'm going to show you what it's like and I'll show you what they have to offer here at Disney's Boardwalk. Let's go. Disney's Boardwalk is pretty much where they have a bunch of hotels affiliated with Disney World. It's located on the Disney World property, and there's hotels like the Swan, the Disney Boardwalk Inn and Villa, and so on. You could stay here and access all of Disney's theme parks, and you have quick access to the theme parks via gondolas, a boat, and also they have buses that take you to the theme parks, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you what it's like heading right inside the front lobby here, and then I'll take you to the boardwalk. Check it out. So this is what it looks like heading inside. Check out this epic chandelier. And this is basically the check-in area for a couple of the Disney resorts here. So Disney's Boardwalk Inn is to our right, and then to our left is Disney's Boardwalk Villas, a vacation club resort. In order to get to the boardwalk, we'll head this way. And then down these stairs, you'll see we have access to Disney's Boardwalk. A lot of people don't realize that they can access here freely without having to stay on Disney property. It is accessible to everyone, so keep that in mind. They have shops, a promenade, art gallery, play area here for the kids. There's bike rentals as well. And this here is the boardwalk itself. So I'm going to take you around the boardwalk. It goes around in a full circle. We'll do a full 360 and show you what it's like. We'll head this way. Right here they have an Arcadia bar. On our left here is a outpost for blue ribbon corn dogs, and there's always things going on here on the boardwalk. As you can see, it's pretty busy today. We have a pizza station right here. A spot here for margaritas. And then right here you got the Boardwalk Deli. I just got stopped actually. I got interviewed by a bunch of other content creators asking why we like the boardwalk. Now we're back to my video. Alright, so there's boardwalk ice cream right here and then a bakery over here. All of these amenities here are accessible to obviously everyone staying at the hotels close by Disney World. You can also see the water body here. It's like a mini lake that flows adjacent to the Disney properties. There's boats that can take you around to the attractions that are here, Epcot, Disney Springs, and so on. Keep in mind, peeps, if you do come to Disney, it's a lot of walking, especially if you have kids too. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes, runners. It's a whole lot of walking, folks. We also are in Florida, so places like this on my right here may have alligators, snakes, and so on, so keep that in mind. Just gotta be careful of your surroundings. The boardwalk will continue on our left here, but we're gonna go right so I can show you the access station for the gondolas that will take you to Epcot and to the other Disney resorts. So let's go right first. On my right here, you can see a boat bringing patrons back to Disney Boardwalk. This here is the gondola station. These gondolas obviously save you from driving to all these Disney resorts, and Disney is so big, it makes sense. And the gondola here is called the Disney Skyliner. This is the entrance here for the Epcot Resort Area, and the Epcot Resort Area is just across the water here. This is the security check. You have to get checked by security before you get in. And then you have to have your wristband or buy tickets to get into Epcot. And that's the Epcot area over there. This right here is the friendship boats. And they take you across the water to all the Disney resorts. So this is where you would get the boats from Epcot to head to places like Boardwalk Inn and Villas or Disney Springs and so on. Alright, let's get back to our tour of Disney's Boardwalk. We're gonna go right back to that junction where we turned off to get here to the Epcot Resort Area. We are gonna pick you right back up from there and head around to the rest of Disney's Boardwalk. Alright folks, so we are back at the junction here. Check it out. That's where we were coming from. We made a right here to head to the Epcot International Gateway section. And then now we're gonna go left to continue our tour around Disney's Boardwalk. You can see there are some villas here on our right, and all around the boardwalk you'll notice that there are villas you can book to stay at when you come here to Disney World. Disney has a ton of properties where you can stay. You can find all of this on the Disney app. Just download it on your phone and you can access the options that they have, or you could just go to the website as well. Over here you can see they have an artificial beach area. You got a swing here, got some kids playing in the sand. A beach volleyball area over here. The lawn and the property is well maintained, as you can see. Here's a map of the Disney Boardwalk area that we're walking through right now. We are right here. They have here the Beach Club Villas, the Beach Club Resort, the Yacht Club Resort, and the Disney Boardwalk Inn and Villas. Just to my left here, there's a pirate ship replica. Looks like a play area for kids. Over here is getting some renovations done. Last time I was here, this wasn't being renovated. There was a pool over here with sand and so on, but it looks like they're doing a lot of renovations. To my left over here, you can see this is the access point for the friendship boats here at Disney. You can access the boats from the boardwalk here to get to the other Disney resorts. This resort right here is called the Disney Yacht Club Resort. And it looks like they are having a wedding or some sort of reception on the property right now. You can see just ahead of us here. It almost feels like Disney is endless. Check it out, because we're still on the Disney Boardwalk area, even though we're not actually walking on boards, but we'll get back to that section right now. But you can see here to my right, these are other Disney properties here that you can stay at if you come to stay at Disney World. Over in front of us in the distance here is one popular property here at Disney called the Swan. You can stay at this property here in Disney World as well. I did see some reviews of the Swan online, and it did get a 3.9 star out of 5. I haven't been there. I'm not sure how good of a property it is, but that's the Swan right in front of us right now. Alright, so heading back down onto the boardwalk here. We are continuing along Disney's boardwalk here, coming from the Swan and the Dolphin resorts, which is just behind me over here. And the first thing we see on our right here is dueling pianos. Nice evening spot for you to enjoy some drinks and some music. To my left here is the Atlantic Dance Club. So there's always things going on here on the boardwalk. Dancing, singing, people playing guitars, and so on. On my left here, they usually have some outdoor activities, hoop toss, where you can shoot some hoops. It looks like they're closed right now. This here is the Screen Door General Store, so you can get your convenience items if you stay at any of the properties along the boardwalk here. With that, we've done a complete 360 off Disney's boardwalk. You can see we went all the way around there, past the boardwalk deli, all the way around. We checked out the Epcot Resort International Gateway, where you can grab gondolas to the other Disney resorts. And then we walked all the way around the water body here. We came back past the Swan and the Dolphin resorts and headed back onto the boardwalk past the Atlantic Dance Club over there. A full 360 of Disney's boardwalk, and that's basically what it is. You can see the pool area here at Disney's boardwalk. Thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate you watching. That's it for our tour here of Disney's Boardwalk in Disney World, Orlando, Florida. Stay tuned for much more on Disney World. I'll have videos of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Hollywood Studios, as well as Disney's Riviera Resort. I'm gonna see you in one of our next videos. Leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and peace out from Disney's Boardwalk in Disney World, Orlando, Florida.